A couple of guys with some streaks going on, partner, as we get ready for this game between the Hawks and the Tampa Bay Lightning. This first period brought to you by Toyota. Premier forwards on their roster out right now.
You mean the MVP of the league? Here's every shot point. It's handled by Crawford. It got past him into the blue, but not over the line. Heath, I should say. Now a takeaway, Gord. Walked in front with a backhand shot. Save, Crawford. Rebound to Gord. Put it in behind. Maroon. Had his pass broken up by Keith. Shattenkirk last year had 28 points the whole year with the Rangers. He's already got 15. Here's Sergachev. A give and go with a long shot. He scores! Sergachev pounds a one-timer to the back of the net off a give and go. The Lightning have the lead.
Mata and Maroon in front, and maybe it was the high screen out in front by Ryan Carpenter. But Crawford maybe didn't see it at the last second. He just blows it right by the glove side. There's the shot.
Saad, Taves drives, he shoots. Dave McElhinney from a bad angle for the Hawks captain. Put it to the middle point, kicked it over. Johnson, back for Hedman, a one-timer. Save by Crawford, and he holds.
Great save by Crawford.
Now Taves won it. Seabrook shot it, but it's blocked by Palat. Seabrook drives in deep. They score! How did that go in? Brett Seabrook from below the goal line banked it in.
Amazing play. He sees the goaltender down, and he's just trying to flip it and get a bounce. And Seabrook not only scores, but he could be the goal judge as well because he has a perfect vantage point. That's exactly what he was trying to do. Beautifully done by Seabrook. And the Hawks get a bounce, get a break.
Alfred Joseph did not get it deep. The Lightning carry on Killorn. Put it out in front. Here's the shot. They score! A wrist shot from Victor Hedman somehow escaped Crawford and dribbled in. And the Lightning regain the lead.
The ice for Tampa, and then here comes Hedman, who fires this puck. Is it redirected by Cirelli, maybe?
Will be able to get it. Oops, they tried to get it in, didn't happen there. Now they carry ahead. A lot driving and centering. Open net for Point. Brayden Point, a tap in. A great setup by Andre Palat. And the Lightning are up 2.
Could have shot the puck probably 2 or 3 different times. Kane is reaching around. Mata goes down and Point goes right to the blue paint. No chance for Corey Crawford. And the Hawks turned the puck over in the middle of the ice a couple of times, and the doggedness of Tampa took away all their time and space.
6 attackers, Chicago. As they take a look, Kane, a snapshot save, rebound, the score! That might have been Jonathan Taves. He was in the neighborhood. So was Strome. The Blackhawks, with 6 attackers out there, draw to within 1.
It's interesting that Ryan McDonough let this puck go. If we get another look at this, he lets this puck go by him instead of trying to block it. And then once he did that, the Hawks had strength in numbers with Taves, with Shaw.
And Gustafson's been out here for a while. His long centering pass never got to Doc. Chipped up the boards. Gustafson had it knocked away. Open net for the Lightning's Paquette. And it's 4-2.
I'm sorry, that was Cirelli that made that diving play. Paquette's the guy.
Took a funny hop heading for the empty net, but it won't get there. However, time will expire on the Blackhawks, who now lose for the 2nd consecutive time. The Lightning have snapped a 2-game losing streak of their own.